Hello, this video will guide you through the process of creation of credentials and token in order to use Gmail Tester Extended. At first, you should create a credential JSON file. The first step, you should go to create a client ID and client secret. Click it. Very important thing, you should be logged in as a Gmail user you would like to generate this credential file for. So you're redirected to this Google developer document, and per the process that is described here, you should click this page and wait for redirection. Select the country and check I agree. Click agree and continue. The first thing that you should do per the guide is to create credentials. Click create project. You may leave the project name that is proposed here and just click create button. Sometimes it's time consuming to create it. Just wait for completion of the process. As soon as page is loaded, click create credentials and select this second option. Select here external option and click create. Set up any application name, let it be mail tester 1 and click save. So now we must be able to add credentials and select here desktop app and click create. So you must see that credential file is generated and you must be able to load it. Click load item and you will get this file. Copy it and paste into the project into plugins folder. Let's give new name. It would be credentials, and then you must type your email without gmail.com part. I will just copy it, and you should follow the same template when you rename this file and place it to the plugins folder in the project. So let's click OK, and this is how this file looks inside. So you may see that I already have a pair of files for another email in the folder. It's credentials and the Gmail token, and Gmail token file is what we would like to get for Cypress example tester 1 Gmail account. So how to do that? Our next step is related to generation of token. So I remind that we must be logged in, and we should follow instructions in usage section. Using the Gmail Tester Extended init file inside of Node module, we will generate this token file. In order to simplify the generation, just copy this file into the folder in Node Models. Find Gmail Tester Extended inside here and paste this credential file. So you may see that there is an init file inside. Let's go inside of Gmail Tester Extended folder in order to simplify the process. Node Models, Gmail Tester Extended. And now we should execute the following command. It's node init.js. Then you specify the name of credentials file, then token file, any name for this moment that you would like to have, and then you specify the Gmail address. Click enter. So you may see that we need to go and follow this URL. Copy it select the user email, click Advanced, go to Mail Test 1, click Allow, and again Allow. And here you will receive the code, copy it, and paste in terminal. Okay, so there is an error and the message that we need to enable API. So follow this URL in browser, copy it, wait for loading. It may take some time. And click Enable. It's done, and let's repeat the same command as above. This is what we expected. It must be printed found in the terminal. It means that starting from this moment, we have generated a token file that allows to send emails with API. And this token file that we generated, we called it as token Cypress example 1. It's currently placed in a Gmail tester extended file. We copy it into the plugins folder and rename it to follow this template Gmail token and the email without gmail.com part. So now we are ready to use this email in the project. This is the end of the whole process that you should follow to generate these files. And of course, you may delete all files that are not required in the Gmail tester extended folder. I mean credentials and token. They are not used here, they would be taken from a plugin. So this is the end of the process. I hope my guideline will help you to go through all the steps. Thank you for your attention.